For decades, the fight against anemia has been hindered by a single sub barrier, a needle. For millions across undeserved communities, checking hemoglobin meant facing pain, fear, and the logistic nightmare of invasive testing. But what if we could eliminate the need entirely?
That what if is now a reality. Welcome to a gentle revolution in preventive healthcare. This is EasyCheck, India's first IoT-enabled entirely non-invasive hemoglobin screening device. No blood, no pain, and no more tears.
Developed by EasyRx, EasyCheck uses advanced optical sensing and AI-driven algorithms to measure hemoglobin levels through a simple touch of a finger. In less than 60 seconds, a precise digital health report is generated, with a remarkable 93% accuracy validated by the ICMR. But technology is only powerful when it is accessible. EasyCheck was built from the ground up for rapid large-scale deployment. Because it requires zero consumables and generates absolutely no biohazard waste, eliminating the operational hurdles of mass screening.
We are taking healthcare exactly where it is needed most. From remote village to high footfall urban clinics. School health monitoring program under RBSK massive CSR health drives EasyCheck fits seamlessly into a single backpack.
Even in deep rural pockets, EasyCheck functions without any hassles at all. It functions flawlessly in offline mode, securely storing health records locally and automatically syncing them to the cloud the moment connectivity returns.
The real magic, however, happens in the eyes of the people we serve. Children who used to hide from medical camps out of fear are running to be first in the line. Pregnant mother and elderly citizens are getting screened regularly without a second thought.
The social impact is staggering. With over 6.5 million lives already screened across multiple states and countries, EasyCheck has saved thousands of liters of blood, eliminated tons of toxic medical waste, and cut down carbon emissions significantly.
By empowering local communities, volunteers, and health workers, with minimal training, we are not just deploying a device. We are generating rural livelihood and fostering culture of early preventing care.
Aligning with national visions like Anemia Mukt Bharat and Poshan Abhiyan, EasyRx is bridging the gap between advanced medtech and the last mile of humanity.
We are taking healthcare exactly where it is needed most. From remote village to high footfall urban clinics, school health monitoring programs to under RBSK and massive CSR health drives, EasyCheck fits seamlessly into a single backpack.
EasyRx EasyCheck,
Making health screening bloodless
painless
and accessible for all.